we have that y minus 11 root of y plus 24 equal to 0. So our equation is y minus 11 root of y plus 24 equal to 0. Now, the first thing we do here is to substitute. We state that let t be equal to root of y. Therefore, t squared will be equal to y. So anywhere we see root of y, we substitute with t, and anywhere we see y, we substitute with t squared. So our equation becomes t squared minus 11t plus 24 equal to 0. Now at this point, we look out for two numbers that their sum is equal to negative 11 and their product is equal to positive 24. And such two numbers are negative 8 and negative 3. This is because minus 8 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 11, and minus 8 times minus 3 is equal to 24. So our equation can now be written as t squared minus 8t minus 3t plus 24 equal to 0. Now, at this point, we can factorize. We have that t, open up a bracket, t minus 8 minus 3, open up your bracket, t minus 8 equal to 0. So we can have that t minus 3 multiplied by t minus 8 is equal to 0. So from here, we have that t minus 3 is equal to 0, or t minus 8 is equal to 0. Thus, t is equal to 3, or t is equal to 8. But do not forget that we made a substitution that let t be equal to root of y. So from here, y is equal to t squared. So for t equal to 3, y will be equal to 3 squared, which is equal to 9. Also, for t equal to 8, y is equal to 8 squared, which is equal to 64. That is the answer.